Yes, this whole makeup on my face is a no eyeshadow, no foundation, no concealer, in fact no primer. Yes, just my powder and then my contour palette and then my blush, then yes, my lashes and the liner, and then yes, my eyebrows. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Zabel Glam here again. Today we are doing something different. We are doing a look without foundation, without eyeshadow, so stay tuned and see how we do it. I went on to do my eyebrows off camera since I have a video showing you guys how I do my eyebrows. Right now I'm just using the powder that I showed to blend out the concealer. Blend very well, blend properly as you see me doing. Yes, so up next I'm using my gel and my eyebrow gel to just set the eyebrows. I also have a video showing you guys how I do my eyebrows. If you want to see that as well, I'll put the link below the comment and the description box. Right now, I'm just highlighting the brow bone with my highlighter to make it more prominent. I'm going to do that on both sides. Up next, I'm lining my waterline with my gel liner using my eye pencil to as applicator. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing right now. Up next, I'm applying my mascara to elongate my natural lashes. So right now, I'm doing my eyeliner using my gel liner. The same gel liner I used in lining my waterline is the same one I'm using as my eyeliner right now. Up next, I'm applying a little bit of concealer just to brighten up my under eyes to eradicate any eye bag or any stress that may be underneath my eyes. That's like the only concealer I'll be using on my face apart from the one I use on my eyebrows. So I'm just using my fingertip to blend that properly. Right now, I'll go into my powder to just blend out the concealer. Right now the powder I'm using is one shade lighter than my natural skin tone. Why I'm using that is it's going to serve as my highlighter. It's going to serve as a concealer, like I'm highlighting the part of my face where I want to be prominent. So yeah, I'm going to be putting the powder in my T-zones, like that's underneath my eyes, my forehead, my jaw, the bridge of my nose, just to make an illusion of a brighter shade of concealer. You know how it is when we want to contour our face. So that's what I'm just doing with the powder right now, all over the places where I want to be prominent. I'm going to apply the powder. Right now I'm going into my contour palette and I'm going to just contour my face as I would normally do using the dark shade that I just showed right now. So I'm just applying that contour shade all over the places where I want to be contoured. My forehead, my cheekbone, my jawlines, all those places. That's where I'll be applying the contour shade. Contouring my nose as well, using the same shade, using the same face definer that I used in contouring my jawline and other places. Just contour the nose, no harsh contour, just something light just to make the nose a bit more defined. Right now I'm going into the blush, just blushing my face a little bit, not putting too much blush. Right now I'm going to be blending out my whole face using my face powder, like that shade. Now I'm applying the powder all over my face, blending my face together to remove those harsh lines and funny effect that I'm seeing right now. I'm just blending up my face. Blend, blend, blend. So guys, this is what my face looks like now after my powder and contouring everything. So now I'm just going to apply a little bit of highlights just to give the face some glow. Yep, this is what we have now. I'm just going to spray my whole face using my Kiss Beauty makeup fix spray. Yeah, so for the lip, I'm going to be doing a nude lip using my classic brown lipstick and my Debuloster nude beige lipstick. Yes, so this is what we have now. I'm going to just fix my lashes off camera and then I'll be right back. Yeah guys, I'm back. My lashes is on, looking all beautiful and things. Yes, I dropped my hair as well. I think it's better this way, it's prettier this way. So I realized my makeup is not looking as popping as I wanted, so let's do one last thing before we finish this makeup look. So I'm going to go in with my silver glitters from Candy Beauty line. I'm just going to put a bit of it in my teardrop. I think it's going to take the makeup to another next level or what do you. So I'm just going to pick a bit of my NYS glitter glue, put it at the back of my hand because we don't want too much, guys, just a little bit. And then just going to pick a bit of it and just apply to the dot like so, and then clean up the excess on the brush, and then go into the loose pigment and just look. What do you think? I think it's pretty. Yes, is it that I just pout it or I made it a bit more glam, guys? I think we've come to, let me dust up the excess. Okay guys, we've come to the end of this video. I hope you learned one or two. Yes, this whole makeup on my face is a no eyeshadow, no foundation, no concealer, in fact no primer. Yes, just my powder and then my contour palette and then my blush, then yes, my lashes and the liner, and then yes, my eyebrows and then the lipstick. Yes, put together, and then we got this glamorous looking makeup. I hope you guys love this makeup. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you learned one or two things. So yes, sometimes you can decide to do your makeup without foundation. You don't have to wear foundation every day because sometimes it can be tiring, you know. Even me, sometimes when I think about putting on foundation and then doing the whole eyeshadow thing, I just say, you know what, let me just go out like this. Yes, so sometimes if you want to look glamorous without doing too much, you can do this. Yes, and just pop in a bit of dramatic eyelashes. It's going to take your makeup from, you know, 50 to 100. Yes guys, thank you so much for watching my video. We've come to the end of this video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Please stay tuned on my channel. I love you all. Bye.